Hello everyone, I am Shruti Vijayargi from BISP Solution, and this video will talk about how to create bar charts and pie charts in R. So the bar charts and pie charts are appropriate for summarizing the distribution of a categorical variable. So let's go ahead and first understand what is about bar chart. A bar chart is a visual display of the frequency for each category of a categorical variable or the relative frequency for each category. So in R, the bar chart is created using the bar plot and does take one argument, which is the height. That means so height is a vector or any matrix, and other options we can include for creating bar chart as the main, which is used to give the title to our chart, x left for naming the x-axis and y left for naming the y-axis, and names.arg argument to label each of the bars. So use names.arg, and if I write HORIZ equals to true, that means we are going to create the horizontal bar plot, and by default it is a vertical chart. So let's go ahead to our RStudio and create a bar chart. So we are already working with the imported file from Excel, which I stored in the data on object, and I have already discussed how to import data in R and how to attach it. Now first we are going to create bar chart. Bar chart is generated using the bar plot command. So let first check the frequency table can be produced using the table command. So the frequency of region. So if I want to check the frequency of the region, so I have to write table and this region as argument. So there are we can see that there are 24 number of central entries, 30 number of east entries, and 6 number of west entries. So let's store this value in a count variable. Now if I write count, this will give the same output. We may also wish to express the plot using relative frequencies or percentage. So there are total number of 43 observations to have these expressed as percentage or relative frequencies. So it must be divided by 43. Sorry, R should be capital. Okay. Enter. So there are 55.8 percentage for central, 30.2 percentage for east, and 13.9 percentage for the west. Now I have saved this in the object percent, and if I write percent, this will give the same output. Now we can produce the bar chart using the bar plot, and for count frequencies. So this will be our bar chart. Okay. Now in the same now let's take a look of same plot using the percentage bar plot for percent. Enter. So here is the output for that thing. Okay. Now you can add a title to this plot using the main and write title. Let's title for the region distribution. So here you can see the title of this bar. We can also label the x-axis and y-axis using xlab. Xlab is region, and ylab you can give it any name. I'm giving it percentage. So this will be the label for x-axis and y-axis, as well as I also want to rotate the argument and setting this equals to 1 using the LAS. So the percentages changed into zero point 0.1. You can change the names or labels of the values on the y-axis. You can change the names or labels appearing under each of the bars using names.arg argument. So for central I gave it name C. For east I am giving it name, and for west W. So in the place of center, east and west, I have given name C, E and W. And finally, if you would like the bars to appear in the horizontal rather than vertical, so write HORIZ equals to true. And also you should change the X lab and Y lab. Okay. So this is how bar chart is created in R. Now the next one is the pie chart. So what is the pie chart? Pie chart is a chart which is in a circular form and it stores the data in a sector. In R, you can create pie chart using the pie command. It does take one argument X for the distribution of sectors, and the other arguments you can give labels for the naming of the uh, sectors and main to give the title. So let's see it in the R Studio. So I'm creating pie chart and passing count as argument. So this will be your pie chart. Here label are already given, so I'm not giving it labels. And you can also give title to this chart using the main. You can even create box around this chart using the box command. So this is a look around how to create bar charts and pie charts in R. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thanks for watching.